So now let's see how we can create and delete playlists inside of YouTube Studio. So over here you can see that I am in the YouTube Studio homepage, and in order to access playlists, you can go around onto the left side right here where it says playlists, as you can see just like this. You can click on it and all of the playlists that you have right here pops up. I already have a playlist that I made while I was uploading a video. So in order to create an additional playlist that is a brand new playlist, you can go around and click on the new playlist button over here on the top right hand corner. So I'm just going to go around and rename the playlist as custom example playlist right here, just like this. And then over here, you can see that you can set the visibility of the playlist as well. By default, it is set to public, meaning people will be able to find your playlist by accessing your channel or by searching on any search engine. You can also set the visibility to be private so that only those who are collaborating with you on the playlist will be able to see it, or only you will be able to see it. In case it is unlisted, only the people with the link will be able to see the playlist, but it won't be visible in search engines. So I'm just going to go around over here and set my playlist to public right here and click on create. And that's it. That is how you create a playlist right here. So you can create multiple playlists as you like. So I'm just going to go around, create a new playlist over here, and I'm going to name this as example only and create that out as well. So let's say you change your mind and then you do not want this particular playlist anymore. In that case, you can go around and click on the button right here so that the playlist opens up. And in order to delete this playlist, you can click on the three dot button as you can see right here and simply click on delete playlist, and the playlist will be deleted. So over here in your channel, you can see the playlist right here, the newly created custom example playlist and example playlist, as you can see right here. Let me just go around over here onto YouTube Studio right here, just like this. So once I go around onto YouTube Studio in playlist, then you won't be able to see the third playlist anymore because that is deleted. So that is how you can create and delete playlists inside of YouTube Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.